Here's what you need to know before you dive into A5. For our first question, we just need to multiply these two fractions, and to do this, we just multiply straight across the numerators and straight across the denominators. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 5 times 4 is 20, and we're done. Our answer is 2/20. And here we basically have the same thing. We do 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 4 is 20, and so our answer is 4/20. Next, we need to divide two fractions, but note that we can easily turn this into a multiplication question. All you need to remember is keep, change, flip. For example, we keep 1/6 the same, we change the sign to multiplication, and we flip 2/9 into 9/2. Now we can just multiply straight across. 1 times 9 is 9, 6 times 2 is 12, so our answer is 9/12. Next question, how can you support this channel to continue making videos? Well, this one's pretty straightforward. You just need to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Next, we have another division equation. So I'm going to keep -1/8, change divide to multiply, and flip the -1/2 to -2/1. Now we have 1 times 2 is 2, 8 times 1 is 8, and since both numbers are negative, our answer is +2/8. Next, we have another division equation, so I'm going to keep 1/8, change divide to multiply, and flip 1/4 to 4/1. 1 times 4 is 4, 8 times 1 is 8, so our answer is 4/8. Next, we need to multiply a mixed number by a fraction. And the easiest way to do this is to convert your mixed number into an improper fraction. To do this, start by multiplying your denominator by your whole number, and then add your numerator. In this case, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So our new numerator is 3, and our denominator stays the same at 2. Now we can go back and multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 6 is 12, so our answer is 3/12. Next, we have a mixed number being multiplied by a whole number. And the first step is the same as the last. We need to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So first we do 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17, and we keep our denominator as 4. Now we multiply our -17/4 times -2/1. And since it's negative times negative, that gives us a +34/4. Next, we're multiplying two mixed numbers, and since they're both mixed numbers, we'll need to convert both of them into improper fractions. So for the first one, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, so that becomes 11/4. And for the next mixed number, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so that becomes 3/2. So putting it all together, we have 11 times 3 is 33, and 4 times 2 is 8. Answer is a +33/8. Next, we're multiplying another two mixed numbers, so we'll solve it just like we did in the last one. Starting with the first mixed number, we have 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is -29/8. And for the second mixed number, we have 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, so we have -12/5. Now putting it all together, we have 29 times 12 is 348, and 8 times 5 is 40. And since both numbers are negative, our answer is +348/40. That's all I've got for this lesson, but if you want to see more videos just like this, you should check out the Algebra 1 IXL playlist right here. This is Mr. Leo with Epic Math. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.